cat tutorial today, and I'm using Parrot polish, Chartreux Cat. It's a magnetic cat eye nail polish. It's like multichrome and stuff like that. It's not gel, so it's just regular nail polish. And if you haven't seen me use these before, holy crap, like you're missing out. So discount code down below. It's just Yvonne 20. Look at this one. It's so pretty. And that's what I have on my nails. You can use it by itself, or you can do it over black polish or white polish. This one I have over a light coat. These polishes show every fingerprint of this mirror effect silver. Yeah, so it's just one little coat, and then one of this, and then one that I do with the magnet. But I did it yesterday, so yeah. So I love it so much, and I don't remember if I said that before I pressed pause because my son walked in and he was talking. So anyways, let's see. So that is my base, and I'm using Uber Chic Beauty's Flora and Fauna plate. I gotta clean it. Of course, I just sneezed. All right, and then so I'm gonna be doing the rose images here, and then I took out the Valentine's Day stamper, of course, because why not? Alright, so I'm using the roses. So first I'm going to use a clear jelly, number 2, just a white. And then I think I'm going to do this one first. And then scrape, pick up, and then just on my nail, kind of just put it wherever you'd like this. And then I'm going to pick it up with the gray, which is clear jelly number 42. So here it is with the gray, and I'm just going to offset it a little bit to get both colors. Alright, so I did all of the roses like this, and then I'm grabbing some nail gems. These are from the Dollar Tree. And then smear not top coat. Oh, on this one, here's another idea. I did a crackle top coat. I know I have other ones from Super Chic Lacquer, but this was like right in front of my face off to the side. My daughter used it the other day, so I put it on top and then just stamped with white. So that looks kind of cool too. So that's an idea. So I'm going to do the top coat and then apply one of the nail gems. I had some over here on the bottom, so I'm going to do that and then be right back. Alright, so I just put that on, and of course if you want your gems to stay on longer, you can use some gel nail glue or regular nail glue, and it will stay on. But for me, these stay on a few days, and that's as long as I want them on anyways, because I change my nails all the time. So I hope you enjoy and get some ideas. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye.